In the next 10 years, humanity will experience more technological progress than it has in the last 100 years combined. We're entering a decade where artificial intelligence becomes smarter than humans, where clean, unlimited fusion energy becomes a real possibility, where diseases that once seemed impossible to cure may disappear forever, and where the very way we work, travel, communicate, and live will be transformed. Today, we read counting down 10 breakthrough technologies that will reshape the world by the year 2035, and some of them are already here. Let's dive into the future. Artificial intelligence today can write, speak, create, analyze, and automate. But what's coming next is even more powerful laggy. Artificial general intelligence. A system capable of learning and reasoning at the level of a human being. By 2035, a GI is expected to accelerate scientific research, solve complex medical problems, run businesses autonomously, and assist governments in crisis management. It will create personalized tutors for every student and offer round-the-clock personal assistance for every individual. Industries like law, finance, transportation, healthcare, and education will be completely transformed. Some experts say Aggie will be like having a team of thousands of experts working for you at all times. Whether exciting or scary, Aggie will be one of the most influential inventions in human history. For decades, computers have advanced in small steps. Quantum computers leap into an entirely new dimension. Instead of using bits, zeros, and ones, they use qubits, which can represent many states at once. This allows quantum computers to perform calculations millions of times faster than traditional machines. By 2035, quantum computing will revolutionize drug discovery, climate prediction, materials science, cryptography, and investment strategies. It may help cure diseases faster, create new energy sources, or solve environmental problems we can't even approach today. Imagine a world with unlimited clean energy, no pollution, no carbon emissions, no fuel shortages. Fusion energy, the power that fuels the sun, is getting closer to becoming reality. By 2035, experimental fusion reactors may begin generating cheap electricity with zero waste, no emissions, and nearly unlimited power. If successful, fusion could end our dependence on fossil fuels, reduce energy costs for everyone, tackle climate change at its source, and even power deep space missions. Humanity's greatest clean energy breakthrough may be just a decade away. Think a thought, and a computer responds. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCs, are already helping paralyzed people move robotic arms using only their thoughts. By 2035, BCs will allow us to control devices hands-free, help people walk again, potentially cure certain forms of blindness, relieve depression, and even enhance memory. We could communicate without speaking. Imagine texting without typing, searching the internet using your thoughts, or controlling your home with your mind. The line between humans and technology is becoming thinner and thinner. Transportation is about to leap into the future. By 2035, Hyperloop systems may allow travel at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. Flying taxis could become a normal sight in major cities. Self-driving car networks may reduce road accidents by over 90%. AI traffic systems will replace traffic lights, and smart highways will communicate with vehicles in real time. Imagine traveling from Toronto to New York in under 45 minutes, or from Los Angeles to San Francisco in 30 minutes. The world will feel smaller and more connected than ever before. Gene editing is entering a golden age. With CRISPR and next-generation tools, by 2035, we may be able to eliminate hereditary diseases, cure certain cancers, slow the aging process, and strengthen our immune systems. We'll be able to personalize medicine for each individual and even edit genes before birth to prevent devastating defects. Instead of treating diseases after they appear, we'll be preventing them at their genetic root. This is medicine on a completely new level. Space is the next economic frontier. By 2035, private companies may be mining asteroids for rare metals. The moon may host robotic mining bases. Water found on the moon could be used to power rockets for further exploration, and new space stations could support manufacturing in zero gravity. Asteroids contain gold, platinum, and other minerals worth trillions of dollars. A single asteroid could contain more metal than has ever been mined in all of human history. Space isn't just for exploration anymore, it's becoming a business. Video calls will look primitive in the future. By 2035, holographic communications will allow for three-dimensional meetings, telepresence, holograms, and virtual classrooms. This technology will enable realistic long-distance social interactions and immersive training simulations. Imagine your friend standing in your living room as a full-scale hologram, or attending a university lecture where the professor appears right in front of you. Screens may soon become obsolete, replaced by a much more natural form of digital connection. Cities are becoming intelligent. By 2035, major cities may include AI-managed electricity grids, predictive traffic systems, and fully automated public transportation. Buildings will adjust their energy usage automatically. Robotic firefighters and emergency drones will respond to crises faster than humans can. AI crime prediction systems could even help prevent incidents before they happen. Your city will analyze and adapt in real time, making life safer, faster, and more efficient for everyone who lives there. In 2035, everyone may have their own personalized AI, not just a chatbot, but a true life assistant. These AI companions will organize your schedule, help you learn anything instantly, coach your health and fitness, and provide real-time emotional support. They will manage your finances and handle daily tasks automatically. They will know your habits, your preferences, your goals, and help you live your best life. Personal AI will become as common and essential as smartphones are today. We are living through the most transformative decade in human history. AI, quantum computing, gene editing, fusion energy, and advanced transportation will reshape every part of our lives, from how we work to how long we live. Some of these technologies will bring enormous opportunities. Others will raise new questions and challenges. But one thing is clear: the future is not coming slowly. The future is accelerating toward us. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more future-focused explanations on this channel.